welcome guys to another episode. We're back from the Cape and we're doing another thing that we love doing, and that's boat camping. So it's a 2-night lipstick boat camping session. And it looks like there's a heap of fish there on the sounder, and I bet I have no chance in catching any of those bad boys. But we're going to give it a red hot crack. So there is a waterfall just over the back there somewhere. There's a boat there at the moment, but we will go check it out at some point. I might send the drone over there later and check it out. But we're back where we've been before a couple of other times. It's usually absolutely heaving here, but there's no one here. There's a couple of boats behind me over there, but wow. It's a good thing about coming out of season. It's always good doing this type of stuff out of the main sort of summer season, because you get the joint to yourself, which is what I've always been striving to do. So this is going to be pretty nice tonight. Trying a bit of float fishing, and I think that might have just had a hit. So let's go take a look, I think. See if there's anything on the end. Yeah, we lost our bait. Yeah, I definitely saw it duck under, but it was too slow. It's alright. Trying a whole pilchard on a gang hook. Same sort of setup that I use for the drone fishing, but I thought I might try floating. Starting to cool down now, which is no surprise given that it's winter, I suppose. Right, pretty much done. Sealed down the edges, well mostly, there's a bit of a gap there. I'll sort that one out. This side looks pretty good. So yeah, tidy up I reckon, then it'll be time for dinner. Alright, let's see what's on the menu tonight then. So as with all these boat camping trips, I do try to make my life as easy as possible. Just another backcountry chicken tikka masala, and that was actually quite good last time, so just make our lives nice and simple. We don't want to make things complicated with boat camping. I had this one before a while back and it was pretty good, so let's hope that it's pretty good again today. I reckon we'll be pretty much ready. Yeah, looks alright. Take the captain's chair and get into it, I suppose. So, backcountry chicken tikka masala. Last time I thought this was pretty good. Let's see today. I think I put too much water. It's quite spicy actually. Oh look, it's a camping meal. So what did we rate it? 5 out of 10. I think last time I gave it a lot more because I did it properly. This one's a bit more sort of watery. So tonight's a 5 out of 10. I think last time from memory it was like a 9 or something pretty high. Alright, we've got something. Ooh. This is not what I wanted, a stingray. That's no good. And he's quite big, I've got to watch that tail. Yeah, this is not what I want. Yeah, that's a shame. It felt pretty big, but it ended up being a stingray. Right, so it's time for me to sign out. The bed's all made up. I'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning from day number 2 on the boat tent. Had a good night's sleep last night. We did get some rain, but the boat tent held up, which is good. So we'll chill out for a bit, wait for the tent to dry out, have some breakfast, and then we'll see what the day has in store. So Refuge Beach, check this joint out. Looks pretty cool. Let's go take a closer look. Something I want to trial on this trip, this is this Alton titanium twig burner. So I've had it for a while actually, and I've never used it, so I am going to use it on this trip. Essentially a lightweight stove that you assemble and use sticks as the fuel, so you don't need any gas or anything. Like I said, I do want to trial it on this trip, so we'll get it out later. I'll build it up now and then we'll have a play with it later on today. And where does that go? I think that's going to the bottom there. Yeah. They've got these little lips that you've got to try and click in. I think I just did it round the wrong way. I think if you put the base in first, that's it. It's quite stiff actually. Yeah, I've had it about 6 months. When I first bought it, you can put it together pretty quickly. I just haven't played with it since, but that's pretty much how it works. So you put your sticks and stuff in there, and then you've got this cross member that then supports It's all quite sort of rigid now. Then once your fire's up and running, you can put your saucepan or your frying pan or whatever on the top. So it is pretty cool. I'll try it out later and just see how it goes. But yeah, that's that brand Alton, which do some really cool sort of outdoor and bushcraft and survival type stuff. So yeah, titanium's is really lightweight. It's quite stiff, it's quite rigid actually. Now it's all built up, and then it just fits in that little bag. So it's pretty cool. So we'll give it a razz later. We'll put some sticks in, we'll get it going, and we'll just see how long it takes to boil some water. Could be an alternative for these types of trips instead of bringing gas. Well impressed with it.
Keep tweaking my back recently.
This doesn't help with these chairs.
You sure? You know,
Right?
I just thought, are you sure?
Yeah, I only want one more. Jeez, they're all over there. I've never seen cormorants doing that before. Alton, you did a great job. That thing's amazing. Alright, so that pretty much brings us to the end of the episode. We're going to have one more fish before we head back to the boat ramp. The wind's starting to get up a bit now, so I'm not sure how long we'll last, but hopefully you enjoyed the episode. Hopefully you enjoyed the Alton wood burner. I thought it was amazing. I'm definitely going to start using it more for these remote trips where I've got lightweight gear. And thanks again so much for watching. If you do like our videos, it really helps us if you click that like button, or even better, subscribe. It just helps put YouTube viewers towards our channel and just helps build our channel. Anyway, enough for me now. Hopefully we'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.